Okay, we're at the turn to Conconully. That is Forest Road 42. You can see the road I was on, it's all paved here. Okay. Tight turns and four-wheel drive are not friends. Alright, entering burn area, stay on roads and trails, Highway 42. Okay, but this is the road to Conconully. You know, actually, I'm going to back up and double check that. So here we are again, getting into just some spectacular scenery. Getting hot enough that I decided to turn the AC on, and so then I turned on the engine fan too, because we just finished going up a steep, long hill. But look at all this. Now this, no, I guess there was a fire up here. So you could go down that road there. It looks like some kind of a quarry area. But yeah, it looks like you can go in there and there's camping available. So much stuff to do around here. Alright.
Fork Road for 8 miles.
Okay, look at this. Wow. What a view. Holy mackerel. Let me hop out and take a quick look at this. Wow, this is something. So I have to continue on this road for 8 miles. It looks like that's probably it down there. I'm trying to get to Conconully, which is over that way. So this is like right at the crest of a pass. Kind of odd they would put a gate here. Huh. Yeah, this is something. And that is why I drive roads like this, so that I can come across places like this. All right, well, let's continue on. Hopefully the road's good. Come on, get in there. Okay, so this is where I'm at here. And that is what the road looks like. I hope you can see that. But we are trying to get, here's a junction here, and we are trying to get over there to Lake Conconully, and from there go to Okanagan. Okay, so let's continue on. Well, this was turning out to be one of my worst decisions. I had to dig out 3 big axle punches in the middle of the road here. This one, shoe for comparison. That one and that one. So that's fun. That took a half an hour out of my time. So I'm bagging on this road. I'm not gonna chance any further complications. There's a spot that I can back into and turn around there, and then I'm just gonna backtrack, because there's at least 8 more miles of this. So there's a few more rocks here, but those are low enough. These were sticking up pretty high. So anyway, whew, air conditioning, how sweet. Yeah, there really should be signs on these roads saying limited accessibility. I mean, I could probably do this with a bit of work, but I'm just not willing to do another 8 miles of this. Okay. So anyway, we made it through the axle cracker. Finally. Now, I need to back up in here to make my U-turn, Y-turn turnaround. So, you know, there might be a better one up ahead there. I'm going to take a quick look down the road. This section of road here does look fairly passable. So, I mean, I take these roads for this, but not this. Okay, that's no better. That's just a sharp turn, so I'm going to take advantage of the known commodity and do a Y-turn here. So it looks like I can scoochie several times and make it. Boy, fun. All right. Okay. Everything's looking good. Yeah. Okay. Let me straighten out a little more, and then I'll try and get a U-turn. Whew. Boy, is that fun. See if I can do this. That's just not going to work, and I don't need the distraction. Okay, we made it. So now let's hightail it back up the hill. Yeah, not one of my better ideas, I admit it. Now where did these two rocks come from? Okay. Let us continue working our way out of this hole. Yeah. All right.
Continue on West Fork Road for 2 miles.
Gee, you think? If I didn't have four-wheel drive, I might be having troubles. So, alright, well, you get the general idea of what I'm up against here, so I'm going to drive. Cattle guard, sweet cattle guard. Yeah, the route, it starts out okay, but it rapidly declines. So I will just chalk this one up to don't do that. Okay, so here we are, back up the gate, back up at the cattle guard, back up at that fantastic view. Speed limit 30, my Heineken. Okay, well, I guess we're back on the track wherever that leads. So, hang on. We're coming up to a turnout area here, and it turns out that a lot of people are using this for ATV riding and motorcycles. Now this is, we're coming down the road, and unbeknownst to me, the GoPro has shifted out of video mode into picture mode. So there is an moose with two babies with her, and of course you can't really see them. There's over to the right in the center, you can see the two calves, and kind of in almost the center, you can just see the mother, and that's it. I clicked, and instead of getting video, I got pictures. I was so mad. See you on the next video. There it is, State Highway 20 via the 42 National Forest Road out of Conconully. Don't do it. I'm telling you, don't do it. They've just totally, unequivocally dropped the ball on maintenance. Shameful. So now we got to backtrack about 20 miles and take a nice paved road. All right.